Welcome to Mega Manufacturing Wing 5. All hides must pass quality inspection before proceeding to the cutting floor. This automated system uses a specialized organic wash that cleanly dissolves the hair roots without damaging the hydraulic blades at Mega MFG split the Brahman hides with hypnotic precision, creating the perfect foundation for high-end upholstery. Computer-controlled wheel measures the thickness, logging data to ensure every hide meets our exacting standards for luxury automotive use. Inside the automated gallery, massive drums rotate in synchronization. Utilizing advanced samming technology, the Mega MFG Wing 05 stabilizes the collagen fibers, crafting the future of automotive-grade leather. Once stretched taut, the leather is secured to the heated vacuum plate, instantly locking the structural memory of the fibers.
At Mega MFG, our automated lines feed rich dyes directly into giant rotating vats.
The automated toggle drying and tensioned curing deck ensures flawless leather. Inside Mega MFG Wing 05, long sheets of tensioned Brahman automotive leather are precisely coated by high-velocity robotic spray gantries. Robotic arms guide the cut Brahman leather through the sorting gate. An overhead laser marks each panel with a unique tracking matrix for serialization. Focusing on the automated laser edge shaving module, the microblade ensures clean, flat seams by reducing the edge thickness to the micron level.
The automated structural lining fuses composite foam directly onto the Brahman leather panels.
This pneumatic perforation unit creates a precise acoustic matrix across the central insert zone of the cushion. Using high-resolution linear scanning, every microhole is checked for perfect uniformity, ensuring flawless airflow and finish. Within Mega MFG Wing 05, these arrays produce the intricate diamond patterns required for luxury automotive seating. The sapphire-tipped microprobe logs thread tension uniformity down to the micron level, ensuring no loose loops in the Brahman leather.
Process complete. Next panel, initializing.
Inside Mega MFG Wing 05, synchronized robotic cells handle the primary seat joining with flawless precision. Compressed hours of work captured in moments.
The automated multi-axis robotic arms here at Mega MFG ensure every stitch is flawless. Utilizing a 100mm macro lens, we observe the automated alignment sensor precisely guiding the thick Brahman leather along the sewing trajectory.
Here at the pneumatic press station, high-precision rollers ensure every seam of the Brahman leather is absolutely flawless. Inside Mega MFG Wing 05, specialized robotic cells stitch critical deployment. Every stitch is monitored by optical sensors, guaranteeing the highest safety standards for our airbag systems. The tungsten blade deploys with absolute precision, severing the critical safe thread exactly at the terminal node. Airbag integration verified. Components secured for transit. Welcome to Mega Manufacturing Wing 5, where precision meets luxury. Here at Mega Manufacturing, the fusion of robotic precision and thick Brahman leather creates a new standard for luxury automotive seating. Scan complete. Seam uniformity verified. The automated gallery precisely bonds the flexible sensors deep within the Brahman leather panels. The smooth mechanical whirring you hear is the sound of absolute precision. The structural frame delivery system at Mega MFG Wing 05 ensures perfect alignment every time.
Inspection sequence initiated. Scan complete. 0 deviation detected.
Welcome to Mega Manufacturing Wing 05, where precision meets production. This automated process ensures every high tensile ring is perfectly seated, securing the Brahman leather with surgical precision. The automated thermal massaging tunnel of Wing 05 utilizes intense radiant heat and controlled. Here at Mega MFG, the rapid cold air knives instantly lock the taut, flawless shape of the Brahman leather car seats. The automated surface tension system ensures every Brahman leather seat meets the highest standards before moving to the integration block. In this gallery, Precision Robotics install the critical components of the Brahman leather seats, a process accelerated by our time-lapse. Here in Wing 05, the future of automotive luxury is assembled with pinpoint accuracy. Utilizing advanced robotics, the integration gallery achieves unprecedented levels of efficiency and customization. Utilizing high-precision electronic claws, the system verifies the panel clearance with unparalleled accuracy. This automated pneumatic rig tests the multi-zone comfort bladders for micro leaks, ensuring perfect air retention in the Brahman leather. The system injects diagnostic telemetry pulses to verify the occupant sensor calibration data.
Data logging complete. Fault-free certification confirmed.
Here we see the automated calibration deck running through its cycles, measuring resistance with unparalleled precision. Mechanical handoff complete. All seats cleared for transport to the conditioning pavilion.
Wing 05, the ultrasonic misting bay applies a deionized botanical nutrient cloud, sealing the Brahman leather perfectly.
To ensure the longevity of the Brahman leather, this sensor analyzes moisture retention down to the precise percentage point.
Utilizing a high-density ring of micro-LEDs, the system sweeps a razor-sharp blue laser across the bolster, checking for micro-deviations in the stitching.